Good afternoon, this is Trish from Networks Computer Solutions and I'm here with another software review. Today we'll be looking at Desktop Server and we're also going to be integrating this into a tutorial for creating your own website using WordPress. Now to get Desktop Server, it is a free program. If you go to serverpress.com and over here on the right there is a free download link. Click that. And then down near the bottom it's got no thanks, I just want to download Desktop Server Limited. Take that option. I already have the program downloaded and installed. So I'll let you pause the video here and we will come back when you have installed the program. Okay, so now that we've got Desktop Server installed, what we want to do is create a new development website. What Desktop Server does is it will create a local WordPress website on your computer. So it will act like it's on the internet as a normal website, but in fact it's only just stored on your computer, so no one can actually access your website. It's a great option if what you're doing is looking at how to use WordPress yourself or you want to have a play with WordPress. So over here we're taking the option create a new development website. We go next, give your website a name. I'm going to give mine the name of Twisty's Place. We don't need to change anything else. Just go create. Done that, and now our website is ready to be installed. Click on next. Configuration is complete, so the WordPress files are installed on our computer. So what we need to do now to finish off the installation, we can either click next or we can click on the HTTP link at the top, which is what I'm going to do. For the next part of the installation, we're going to leave it with the default English United States for now. So I'm just going to click on continue. And it should bring up this welcome screen. I've installed this website before, so it's keeping some of my settings from before. I'm going to give it a subtitle of Twisty's Place. Username is just Twisty's and my email. I'll put the default in and then we'll go install. You should now have reached the success screen. It should say that what your username is and your chosen password. Click on the login button. And you'll have this WordPress login screen. Now you will need to know your username and password every time you want to log in. To make things easier, you can tick the Remember Me box and log in and then have your browser save the details. Okay, so this is the back end or the dashboard of your website. This is a new install of WordPress, so as you can see there are 6 updates to be done. Updates are shown either here under the Updates tab with the number 6. Also there is a plugin so that we know that there is a plugin that needs to be installed. You can also access the Updates page by using this icon up here. That's what we'll click on now. And an updated version of WordPress is available, so we'll update that first.